A very good morning to all. Welcome to my online class. Today, after a long time, I will discuss a new chapter, chapter number 6, which name is Food and Health. So, all of you, open your books and let's learn with me. So, let's start the chapter, chapter 6, Food and Health. So, in introduction part, there are 8 points. First one is food, types of food or nutrients, balanced diet, types of diseases, vaccine, pasteurization, exercise and rest. So let's start. Types of food or nutrients. There are 5 main types of food or nutrients. So first one is food rich in protein. So the nutrients are protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals, and last one is water and roughage. Okay. Yesterday I gave you the notes about these types of nutrients or foods. So all of you remember the types of food. So there are 5 main types of nutrients or food. Next, what is food? So food plays an important role in our life. We all need food to get energy and for the development and growth of our body. Okay, food is an source of energy which gives us to growth our body. It helps to remain healthy and also help in the maintenance of the cell. Next, types of food or nutrients. We are discuss about this in detail. The first one is protein. So our body needs protein to grow taller and stronger and are used to build and repair the worn out cells in our body. So mainly the function of protein is to repair our cells or damaged parts of our body. Okay, so come to the next page. Next, in the second page, proteins are present in almost all the food stuff, but food like beans, meat, dairy product, fish, eggs, nuts and pulses are very rich in protein. So remember the sources of protein. So what are the sources? These are the fish, egg, nut, etc. And proteins are called bodybuilding food because protein help us to repair our cells or damaged body parts. Next, second one is carbohydrate. So carbohydrate gives us quick energy. Okay, remember that carbohydrate is helpful for our energy or energy source. So the source of carbohydrates are whole grain, bread, cereals, corn, beans, peas, potato, grapes, etc. They are known as energy giving food. So first one is bodybuilding, which is protein. Second one is energy giving food, which is carbohydrate. And third one is fats. So fats is called energy giving food. Also fat also give energy to our body. They make our food tasty. Okay, with the help of fats we make a food with more tasty. They provide us more energy than carbohydrate. Remember this thing. It gives us more energy than the carbohydrate. Okay, extra fat gets stored in the body and makes a person overweight and obsessed. Okay, so sources of fats are butter, dry fruit and ghee, etc. Next, minerals. What is minerals? Minerals keep our body healthy. Plants take minerals from the soil. So the different chemicals, calcium, magnesium, etc. are called minerals, which are found in the soil. So plants take minerals from the soil. These minerals enter our body through the food we eat. So minerals help the nervous system and the muscles to contract. Nervous system means nerves, neuron. All of you have already read about this. And these minerals help the nervous system. Okay, all of you please read this table and try to remember. Okay, by heart this one and write this in your copy and show me. Minerals, functions, sources and deficiency, disease. So calcium, what are the functions? Build healthy bone, teeth, etc. Sources, milk, cheese, curd, almonds, and deficiency disease, weak bones. That means with the deficiency of calcium, what disease causes? Weak bones and teeth. Okay, this is important. All of you remember this table. In the page number 52, vitamins. So next nutrients is vitamin. The word vita means life. Vitamins are not a source of energy. They are important nutrient because they keep our body fit and increases the body's ability to fight against disease. So this is this work as the protective or protect our body from different diseases. So, sources are fresh fruit and vegetables are a rich source of vitamin. Like minerals, vitamins are also needed in very small amount. Some of the vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B, C and D. Remember the names of the vitamin. So A, B, C and D. Next, water. All of you know about the water. Why do we need water? So first one is all of you read this one. Why water is needed for us. So there are 6 points. All of you read and write in your copy and try to remember. Okay. Then roughage. What is roughage? So roughage present mainly in fruits and vegetables. Our body also needs roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in the vegetables and fruits. It helps the body to get rid of wastage. Thus, it prevents us from being constipated. So it helps us to remove our waste product in our body. Okay, and the sources are green leafy vegetables, fibrous fruits like orange, papaya, etc. The fruits which have fiber like structure are called the roughage or fibrous fruit. Then balanced diet. All of you read about this in your previous class. Balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet that contains sufficient amount of different components of food like carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin, minerals, etc. All the food which have all the nutrients in sufficient amount are called the balanced diet. Balance means balancing. All nutrients are in balanced amount. Okay, not more or not less. So what is balanced diet? All of you write this one in your copy. Next, come to the next page, 53 page. So this topic of nutrients or types of nutrients is finished. So next, come to the next topic, types of disease. Okay, the disease. What is disease? Disease means the unhealthy condition of your body is called the disease. So types of disease: communicable or non-communicable. Communicable means the disease that can spread from one person to another are called communicable, and the sources or the agents of communicable disease are: first one is bacteria. The diseases which spread by bacteria are typhoid, plague, tuberculosis, etc. The diseases that are spread by virus are the chickenpox, AIDS, etc. The diseases spread by protozoa are malaria, dysentery, etc. The disease causing microorganisms are transferred from one person to another through various ways. These diseases are known as infectious disease. So the disease caused by microorganisms that are not seen by our naked eyes are called the microorganism, and these diseases are called infectious disease. Okay, remember these agents. That means by bacteria, by the virus, and by protozoa. There are two names of diseases. Okay, so what is communicable disease? The disease that can spread from one person to another by various agents are called communicable disease. Next, so how a communicable diseases spread. So first one is direct and indirect contact. Contact means when a healthy person can get germs by coming in contact with the infected person. For example, we have cold. It can pass to another person through sneezing and coughing. Then one, air. Germs remain in the air for quite some time. Tuberculosis, chickenpox, mumps and measles are some diseases that spread through air. Then insect and flies. All of you know about this. So some insect like the mosquito and anopheles, etc. carry the diseases malaria, dengue and sleeping sickness. Okay, so these are the agents or carrier of the disease. So remember the spread of communicable disease. The ways are direct and indirect contact, air, insect and flies. Okay, next come to the page number 54. Then food and water. All of you know about this food and water topic and read this one, and if you find any confusion then you can ask me. Okay, then personal hygiene. We have to be hygiene. Okay, personal hygiene we have to maintain. Then general hygiene, Okay, all of you read general means we have to maintain some hygiene in public places. These are called general hygiene. And personal hygiene means we have to maintain some hygiene in our home or personally. These are called personal hygiene. Then come to the point, non-communicable disease. The diseases that are not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. For example, the malfunctioning of a body part like the liver, kidney, etc. are the non-communicable disease. If one person is suffering from kidney problem, then the another person is not infected by this disease. Okay, these are called non-communicable disease. These are not spread through contact, flies or insect, etc. Okay, understand? Now in the page number 55, all of you see this table, nutrients deficiency disease, food rich in nutrient. So all of you write this one in your copy and try to remember this nutrients deficiency disease and food rich in nutrient. For example, carbohydrate deficiency disease is hypoglycemia, and food rich in sugar, rice, potato. In these sources of food, carbohydrates is rich in amount. Okay, then lack of protein and carbohydrate over a long period of time also causes malnutrition. Malnutrition are the signs of improper or stunted growth in children. Okay, please remember this table. Then come to the point, vaccine. So what is vaccine? So vaccination is the special dose of germs of a specific disease injecting in a person's body. So the germs of this specific disease, for example, you are taking the vaccine of polio, or you are taking the vaccine of hepatitis B. So this virus of hepatitis B is injected to your body. Okay, then vaccination develops immunity against disease in our body. So it develops immune system. It makes our immune system stronger than before. Then common vaccines, all of you remember this: polio vaccine, DTP vaccine. DTP vaccine prevents the disease diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. And MMR vaccine, which prevents measles, mumps, and rubella. Okay, all of you remember this one. Then come to the last topic. Then pasteurization. What is pasteurization? Pasteurization is a method of killing harmful bacteria in milk by boiling it for at least 30 minutes. So we boil milk. Yes, so why we boil milk? To kill the germs. Okay, to kill the harmful bacteria present in the milk, and this process is called pasteurization. Okay, the milk we get in packets is pasteurized. So nowadays milk is obtained in packaged form. So this is pasteurized milk. Exercise, regular exercise. Why we need exercise? All of you know it. So exercise keep us healthy, and some exercise are cycling, swimming, jogging, etc. Rest, our body needs some rest, or by sleeping we can take proper rest, and a good sleep helps to refresh the tired body. When we rest, our muscles relax and our breathing and heartbeat slow down. A good sleep along also gives our body the time for growth and repair its cell. So if we don't take rest, then our cell is not grow easily or properly. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood clearly all this topic. All of you read this one at home more than 3 times, and if you find any confusion, then you can ask me. So it's your today's class. Thank you. Have a good day.